You have been driving for many years, but are you sure you have taken full advantage of all the features in your car? The truth is, 95% of car owners don't know that they are missing out on extremely useful features that they paid for. And here's the important part. One of these features could help you avoid a $3,000 engine repair that most people overlook. If you've ever refueled incorrectly, dirt can enter the fuel system, clog the injectors, and cause engine damage. But don't worry, because your car already has a built-in solution. Before you waste another penny on unnecessary mistakes, check out the 17 secret features no one has told you about. Be sure to watch until the end, because the last tips could save your life. Number 1. Hidden feature on the car key. Turn your key into a universal remote. You think the car key is only for opening doors and starting the engine? Wrong! Modern keys can do much more than that. Try this trick. Press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds. If you own a Kia, Volkswagen, or Hyundai, the windows and sunroof will automatically open. BMW, GMC, or Chevrolet even allow you to fold the mirrors just by pressing and holding the lock button. But the most interesting feature is remote start. If your key has a circle symbol, try pressing the lock button twice, then hold the third time, and the engine will start remotely. Just check the user manual, and you can discover many other amazing features that 95% of drivers have never known about. Number 2. Color symbols on the engine. Don't waste money just because you didn't know this. When you open the hood, do you notice that some parts are a different color? This is not accidental. Car manufacturers deliberately use colors to guide you. Parts that are yellow or blue, such as the dipstick or windshield washer fluid reservoir, are things you can check and replace yourself without having to spend money at the garage. On the other hand, parts that are black or gray, like the engine or transmission, are designed to be handled only by professional mechanics. Understanding this can save you hundreds of dollars in maintenance costs and help you avoid mistakes you might regret. Number 3. Bad road condition warning. Technology helps you avoid dangerous roads. Winter is coming, and you're worried about slippery roads. Don't overlook the snowflake symbol on your dashboard. When the temperature drops below 37 F Toyota or 39.7 F Volkswagen, this warning will light up, reminding you to drive more carefully. But that's not all. Volvo goes even further with its connected safety system, which collects information from vehicles on the same road to warn of icy roads or accidents ahead. If you live in a cold climate, knowing about this feature can help you stay away from danger and keep your family safe. Number 4. Hidden storage compartments. Try searching for treasure in your own car. Did you know your car might have a secret compartment that even thieves don't know about? The Jeep Grand Cherokee is famous for its hidden storage area, the exact location of which the manufacturer has never revealed. The Volkswagen Golf hides a secret compartment right under the driver's seat, while the Toyota Hilux has a small compartment in the dashboard that can function as a mini fridge to keep drinks cold on long trips. These hidden compartments not only help you protect valuable items, but also keep your car neat and tidy. Try searching to see if your car has any secret storage areas. Number 5. Automatic tire pressure warning. Never inflate your tires by guesswork again. You've definitely wondered when your tires have enough air, right? Don't worry, Nissan, GMC, and Jeep have developed the Easy Fill Tire Alert system to help you do this without any pressure gauge tools. Just inflate the tire, and when it reaches the ideal level, the car will honk once to signal. If you overinflate, the car will honk twice and flash the warning lights. This helps you avoid underinflated or overinflated tires, making them last longer and improving fuel efficiency. If you drive frequently, check if your car has this feature. Number 6. The arrow on the fuel gauge, a small secret to help you avoid confusion at the gas station. Have you ever driven a rental car and didn't know which side the gas tank is on? Don't waste time getting out of the car to check. On the fuel gauge, you'll see a small gas station symbol with a small arrow next to it. This arrow points to the side with the fuel tank, making it easier to refuel, especially when you rent or borrow someone else's car. This feature is present in all modern cars, but is often overlooked by most drivers. Number 7. Gas cap holder. A small detail that can save your engine. Do you often leave the gas cap hanging while refueling? If so, you're unknowingly creating a potential hazard. A gas cap left in the wrong place can scratch the car's paint, causing cosmetic damage, but more seriously, dirt and moisture can enter the fuel system, leading to clogged injectors and a damaged fuel pump. A small mistake can cost you over $3,000 to repair the engine. But don't worry, most cars today come with a built-in gas cap holder right on the fuel door. Just place the cap there while refueling, and you'll protect your engine easily and effectively. Number 8. Anti-glare for rear-view mirrors. Say goodbye to the discomfort from headlights behind you. Everyone has experienced the situation of being blinded by the headlights of a car behind you, making night driving incredibly uncomfortable and dangerous. But did you know that your rearview mirror can automatically reduce glare? If your car has a manual rearview mirror, simply toggle the small switch under the mirror, and the light will be adjusted to prevent glare. If your car has an automatic rearview mirror, the light sensor will automatically dim the mirror when it detects headlights from behind. Additionally, some cars are equipped with digital rearview mirrors with a display screen, giving you a clearer view even in low light conditions. Number 9. Traffic light warning helps you stay one step ahead. Have you ever lost focus while waiting at a red light and been honked at by the car behind you when the light turns green? With the traffic light warning system, that will no longer happen. Some modern Audi, BMW, and Subaru models can monitor traffic light signals and alert you when the light is about to turn green, helping you react faster and reduce the risk of traffic congestion. In some high-end vehicles, this system even connects to traffic data to predict when the red light will change, allowing you to adjust your speed accordingly and save fuel while driving in the city. Number 10. Emergency shift button. A lifesaver when your car stalls. Did you know there's a way to move your car even if the battery is dead? If your car stalls in the middle of the road and you need to push it to the side but can't shift it into N, look for the shift lock button. Most automatic vehicles have a small button hidden under a plastic cover near the gear lever. Simply use a key or screwdriver to open it, then press the button and shift into N, and the car will be able to be pushed easily without waiting for a tow. This is an incredibly useful tip that most drivers don't know, but it can help you avoid awkward situations when your car breaks down. Number 11. Backup mechanical key. What to do when your smart key runs out of battery. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your smart key runs out of battery and you can't open the car door? Don't panic. Every smart key has a hidden backup mechanical key inside. Just look for the small button on the key, press it, and pull it out, and you'll find a hidden metal key. Then, look for a small slot under the door handle. That's where you can insert the key and open the car door just like old cars. Knowing this can help you avoid being locked out of your car in unexpected situations. Number 12. Drowsiness warning. Technology helps you stay awake behind the wheel. Long drives can make you tired and distracted, but your car can detect this before it's too late. If you see a coffee cup symbol appear on the dashboard, it means the car's drowsiness detection system has noticed you're losing focus. This technology works by analyzing eye movements, blinking frequency, and steering control, and if it detects signs of drowsiness or distraction, the car will alert you to take a break immediately. Number 13. Conversation mirror. Monitor the back seats without turning your head. If you often drive with young children or family, you'll definitely love this feature. Some models of the Honda Odyssey, Toyota Highlander, and GMC Yukon come equipped with a conversation mirror, allowing you to observe the back seats without turning your head. This mirror is usually located in the overhead sunglass holder, and by simply opening it, you can clearly monitor the actions of passengers in the back, a very convenient feature for parents. Number 14. Adaptive cruise control. If you've ever driven on long trips, you're probably familiar with cruise control, a system that helps maintain speed without needing to keep your foot on the gas. But with Adaptive Cruise Control ACC, things get even smarter. This system uses radar sensors and cameras to automatically adjust your speed based on the vehicle in front of you, helping you maintain a safe distance without having to intervene with the gas or brakes. For example, if the vehicle in front slows down, ACC will automatically reduce your speed. When the road clears up, the car will speed up again without the driver needing to do anything. Some high-end models like Tesla, Mercedes, BMW, and Audi even have a stop-and-go mode, allowing the car to stop and restart when stuck in traffic. However, keep in mind that if the sensors are covered by mud, snow, or water, the system might not work accurately, so be sure to check them regularly to ensure safety. Number 15. Automatic emergency braking. Technology that can save your life. In dangerous situations, a second of delay can mean the difference between life and death. But the scary thing is that 90% of drivers don't press hard enough to activate the Emergency Braking Assist EBA system, causing them to lose the opportunity to avoid an accident. This is why car manufacturers have developed the Automatic Emergency Braking AEB system. This system works using radar sensors and cameras that continuously scan for obstacles ahead. If it detects a collision risk and the driver doesn't react in time, AEB will automatically activate the brakes to slow down or even stop the car completely. Some high-end cars even have AEB for night driving, helping to detect pedestrians or cyclists in low-light conditions. This technology not only reduces accidents, but could also save your life. Number 16. Night vision camera. See through the darkness like Batman. Driving at night always comes with risks, especially when visibility is limited. But did you know that some cars have the ability to see through the dark using infrared technology? High-end models like the BMW X5, Audi 8, Mercedes S-Class, and Rolls-Royce Ghost are equipped with night vision systems that help you spot pedestrians, animals, or objects on the road from 600 to 1,000 feet away. This system uses infrared cameras or thermal sensors to display images on the central screen, helping the driver see what the naked eye cannot. In conditions of fog, heavy rain, or pitch black roads, this technology can prevent accidents before they happen. If your car doesn't have this feature, there are still aftermarket upgrade kits available that can give you the vision of Batman. So we've just explored 15 secret car features that 95% of drivers don't know about. These features not only help you drive safer, save time and money, but sometimes they can even save your life in dangerous situations. Now, check to see how many of these features your car has. If you know of any other interesting features, feel free to comment below and share with everyone. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting car secrets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Wishing you safe driving.